In silence, legends do not disappear. They wait. Layer by layer, silence begins to wash the past away. Even the smallest edges remember the ground they once raced over.
Clean again, but its story is only beginning.
Every click is a step closer to waking it up.
Beneath the dust, the purpose was never lost. For a moment, it rests, exactly as it was meant to be. Time leaves marks, but metal remembers how to hold. What falls away makes space for strength. When it clicks, it's exactly where it should be.
Now, it rests beneath its own weight again.
This is where the legend truly breathed.
Every piece is ready, exactly as it should return.
Nothing hidden is left untouched.
Everything is back where it belongs. Perfection starts by admitting where it isn't.
Now it settles, preparing to disappear.
The moment before it remembers its shine.
Stripped of identity, ready to become legend again.
Nothing left to correct, only to reveal.
This shine once ruled Le Mans.
Now it waits, exactly as it once did.
This is where perfection finally reveals itself.
Now, it reflects everything it survived.
Its eyes return, clear, focused, and ready.
The cockpit closes, just as it once did.
Secured exactly in the order it demands.
The seat returns, ready to remember the driver. Inside, everything is exactly where it belongs.
Even the silence inside has been waiting to breathe again.
Every contact point matters.
Locked in, exactly as intended.
Even water respects a surface this complete.
Nothing clings. Nothing holds it back.
Nothing remains but the finish itself.
The heart is clean and whole again. After all this time, it breathes again.
Every line still serves a purpose.
Closed as perfectly as it was built.
Nothing interrupts a line this pure.
Perfectly balanced, front to back.
Finished and forever remembered.
When nothing moves, perfection still speaks.
Grounded, exactly as power should be.
A legend doesn't shout, it exhales. After years of stillness, it moves. Complete, exactly as history remembers it.
A symbol reborn, without compromise.